All right. If you watched the last video, you know I'm going to the car meet right now with the new Akrapovic Megaphone exhaust, baby. Just a slip on. I don't have the mid pipe on yet. But yeah, it's a lot of highway. I'll get a little bit of highway riding, and then when we get there, I can turn you guys back on. And if you guys know why the check engine light's on, it's because I had to take the servo motor out, and I need a servo buddy to plug back into it. But we're all good though. Highway time, baby. That's how you merge on the highway, baby. Good playing, dummy. That's how you merge on the highway. That's boss. I'm hyped to go to this car meet for real. Alright, this is it, but I don't know who's leaving, bro. I've never been here before, like I said, guys, my first time, so. Dang, hella people are already leaving, bro. Well, hopefully I can see some cool cars. I already see some pulling in. And Mazda, 350. They really have a cop sitting here, bro. That's so stupid. Oh yeah, it's right here. Damn, she ugly. Oh, C8. Damn. Certified. Supra. Seems like, bro, there's hella cars leaving. That next time I come here, I have to come earlier. Damn, there's hella people leaving, bro. Like already, it's like still like an hour left. Can't go that way. I guess I'll bring you guys around. There's probably not that many cars, and there's a couple old ones. My buddy's here. I don't know where he's at. Nothing like crazy, bro, but like, ooh, let's see. Ooh. A Lotus. Certified. Some bikers. Ooh, 01. Damn. Dang, that sucks. Ooh, some GTRs. Go check them babies out. Ooh, that wraps hard. There's not that much over here. A lot of people left probably already, bro. That's unfortunate. Well, it's still cool, I guess. We're behind the Lotus. They going crazy. If I had a mid-pipe, bro, with no cat, this shit would be crazy loud. This shit would be crazy with no cats, bro. This Lotus is pretty hard. I like Lotuses, but I feel like, I don't know how much they are, but like for the price, I feel like you get something dope, like something else. They're not bad though. That cop's gonna see me wheeling, bro. You know how to throw it up for the one time for him. Let's see if you can play with any of these with this car, maybe, but nah, it's an old man, bro. Yeah, so that car meter was like, eh. It was so-so. It was so-so. I mean, a lot of people probably left already, like my buddy said. Like, a lot of people start leaving around like 10 within like the first hour. So like, yeah, it was alright. Still cool though to go check out, because I've never been to a car meet there before, so it's still cool to go see them. It didn't look like I seen anything crazy, but probably a lot of the crazy cars probably already left. I mean, we saw a ZR1, I don't know, a couple other cars like Stangs, like all that, but Error. Oh, C8. 2 C8s. Yes, sir. Ooh, you should see me topless. I would like to. Yeah, dang, that kind of sucked. It was alright. I could have got out and stopped, but I didn't see that many cars, so sorry, guys. I thought it was gonna be a little bit better. Next time I'm just gonna go early, like I said. So yeah. Hey, but if you guys like that little video, me trying to go to a car meet, leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe. You already know, subscribe. Road to 100K, baby. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Over and out.